such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such
We're
a
gonna
fucking
start
hoe.
with
I
primer.
love it.
This is compulsory because our makeup needs to last all day, all night. Next step is foundation. Because even though he says he prefers your natural beauty, my girl, he doesn't like your pimple, acne, scars, freckles, and you cannot do what he doesn't like. Use a light concealer. Go glam. Go extra. Because if you're not extra, how are you gonna grab attention, huh? Powder. Because what if he's wearing a white shirt? Blush. So that you look healthy and yummy. Highlighter. Go extreme with your highlighter because he shouldn't be able to see any other bitch. Lipstick. Lipsticks aren't the new that you adore, so go with a red one. Now for eyes, glitter eyes. Because not one, not two, but all the guys should look at you. Don't forget to add that gloss because your lips gotta look juicy.
Such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. Your boyfriend is a dork. Make loving. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. Your boyfriend is a dork. Make loving. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it.